that is present perfect continuous tense. This tense indicates a running action with a point of time or period. It means in present perfect tense we show an action that is running at present having a point of time or period of time. It means some work is going on with some specific period or point of time. Adverb. In this tense there are two adverbs, since and for. Since shows a point of time. It means since is used with a point of time like Monday, like since Monday, since Sunday, since Wednesday, month of a year, since January, since February, since March, any year, since 1947, since 1942, any year, the time I watch, since 5 o'clock, since 7 o'clock, since summer, since winter, etc. So all this time period shows exact time, means point of time. So with the point of time we always use since in present perfect continuous tense. Next adverb is for. For is used with a period of time. Period of time. It means for indicates or shows a period of time like 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, 5 months, 2 years, 5 years, 2 months, 3 months, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, etc. So since and for they are used as adverb in present perfect continuous tense. Next, helping verb. In present perfect continuous tense we use two types of helping verb, has been and have been. Has been is used with singular subjects. Singular subjects like he, she, it, any name or singular noun. Singular noun means a boy, a teacher, a student, my uncle, etc. So with singular subject or noun we always use has been as helping verb in present perfect continuous tense. Next helping verb is have been, and this have been is used with plural subjects. Plural subjects like I. It is important to note that I is considered as plural in present perfect continuous tense, and with I we always use have been. Next, we, you, they or plural noun like boys, girls, people, students, etc. So in present perfect continuous tense we use has been or have been as helping verb. Dear students, let me explain you the various sentence structures in present perfect continuous tense. Simple sentence. Simple sentence always follows this structure in present perfect continuous tense. First we use subject, then after subject we use helping verb has been or have been according to the number of subject. If our subject is singular we use has been. If our subject is plural we will use have been. Then we use the first form with ing in this tense. It is important to note that in present perfect continuous tense we always use the ing form of main verb. Then we use object and then other words if any, then since and for and time plus full stop. We always use adverbs since and for at the end of a sentence. Next is negative sentence. In negative sentence we use not after has or have. First we subject, then have or has. This is helping verb, and after helping verb we use not. Then we use been. It is important to note that not is set between has or have or been. Then first form ing, object, Other words, since for plus time plus full stop. Next sentence structure is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we have to use has or have as helping verb in the starting of the sentence. It means an interrogative sentence in present perfect continuous tense always takes has or have in the starting. Then after we use subject, then been. We use been after subject. Then first form with ing, then object, then after since for plus time, and we use question mark at last in interrogative sentence. Fourth and last sentence structure in present perfect continuous tense is interrogative negative sentence. In interrogative negative sentence, we use have or have in the starting, then we use subject, and after subject we have to write or use not. It means in interrogative negative sentence we use has or have in the starting, and we use not after the subject. Then been is used, then the remaining structure is same. First form with ing, then object, and at last since or for plus time, and at last we use question mark, because this sentence is not only negative but interrogative. Here students, now I will explain you the various sentence structures with some examples. First of all, I write here two examples of simple sentence, like he has been teaching here since 2015. This is a simple sentence. He is subject and he is singular, so we have to use here has been. Then first form with ing, teaching, and here is other word, and since is adverb, because the time is given as point of time. This is year 2015, and before a point of time you always use since as adverb in present perfect continuous tense. This is one more example of simple sentence. I have been watching a movie for 2 hours. In this sentence, I is plural subject. So we have used here have been, because I is considered as plural in present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Then after first form with ing, watching, then object, a movie is object here, and at last for is adverb, because the time is given as period of time. It is showing period of time, 2 hours. Now I take two sentences of negative type. They have not been living here since July. This is negative sentence. They is subject and they is plural, so have been is used. Have not been. This is negative sentence, so not is set between helping verb and been. Has or have is the main helping verb in this tense. So after the main helping verb, we have to use not in a negative sentence. Then we will set or write been. It is important to note. Not is always set between have or been. Then first form with ing, living. Here is other word, since is adverb, and July is point of time. One more example. Ramesh has not been reading a book for 5 minutes. This is negative sentence. Ramesh is subject singular, so has is used. Then after not has been used, and been means has not been. Then first form with ing reading. A book is object and for is adverb in 5 minutes period of time. Now I write two examples of interrogative structure. I have written here an interrogative sentence. Has he been studying in this school since last year? Has is helping verb because the subject is singular. And in interrogative sentence, we have to start with the helping verb. It means has or have. We have to set or write has or have in the starting of an interrogative sentence. So has, I have written here has because the subject is singular. Then after subject, we have to use been. Then first form with ing, studying in this school. Other verb since is adverb, and last year point of time, and then question mark. I write one more example of interrogative structure. This is one more example of interrogative type. Have the boys been playing cricket there for 2 hours? I have used here have because interrogative sentence always starts with has or have. They are the helping verb in this tense. So I have used here have because the subject is in plural form boys. Boys are more than one. So they are in plural form. Subject is plural. So have is used here. Then after subject, been is used. Playing first form with ing. Cricket is object. There is other verb. For is adverb. 2 hours period of time. Now I write two examples of interrogative negative sentence. I have written here interrogative negative sentence. As is helping verb because subject is singular third person noun. Means name is given. This is singular subject third person. Not is used here. Not is always used after the subject and before been in interrogative negative sentence. Then been. Then first form with ing. Object is by, since, adverb, and morning is point of time and question mark. This is interrogative negative sentence. Has Mr. Suresh not been repairing his bike since morning? In interrogative negative sentence, it is important to note that starting is always done with has or have according to the number of our subject, and not is set just after the subject and just before being. Means not is set after the subject and before being. I write one more example of interrogative negative sentence. This is one more example of interrogative negative sentence or structure. Have the girls not been eating their lunch for 10 minutes? In this sentence, I have used here have because the subject is plural. The girls plural subject. Then not is said after subject and before been. Eating first form with ing. Their lunch the object, for is adverb, and 10 minutes period of time and then question mark. In interrogative negative sentence, the important things are: first, we have to start with has or have, and we have to use not just after the subject and before being. And the most important thing that indicates the period or special continuity of some action is use of for or since. For, since, or since. So for or since, use of for or since indicates the continuity or running condition of some action. I hope you have understood or got all the examples well. Thank you.